The strongest storytelling layouts encourage viewers to keep exploring from one section to the next. Today, how to create interactive story frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Start with a soft gray background and apply a subtle gradient for depth. Insert 5 rectangular frames and arrange them in a smooth visual pathway across the canvas. Upload your images and place them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully so the narrative progresses naturally. Increase the size of the center frame slightly to establish hierarchy and emphasis. Add thin connecting lines between the frames and lower their opacity to keep them understated.